guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today's decided destination is Bushrangers Bay. It is about 105 kilometers drive from the CBD and it takes about 1 hour and 33 minutes. We started our journey from the Cape Shank car park. From here, you have a number of options: a lighthouse tour, a walking trail or walking track to the Bushrangers Bay. So today we decided to take the track to the Bushrangers Bay. The walk is 2.5 kilometers one way, which takes around 2 hours return trip, which depends on your fitness level. Although it sounds like a lot, but it's really worth it. For all the nature lovers, you will enjoy the scenic walk. And if you are lucky, you will be able to spot a beautiful nest like us. The significance of Bushrangers Bay is surreal volcanic landscape. The black rocks emerging in clear blue water is a sight that is just simply outstanding. Enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and stay tuned for our next decided destination.